Yeah, I just came with my grandson. He has a swimming lesson. Uh, so it's kind of nice when we see our grandkids mm, in the activity. Like, with them mm, we kind of look back and see how we did with our kids, and how did we did in our own time. Mm. So just the memories flash up. Yeah, and also it gives you a chance to have a bonding with them, with your kids and grandkids. And a little bit breathing time out, because otherwise everybody is busy and busy and busy. And yeah, so it's good to have fun with the grandkids. Grandparents really enjoyed it, and even grandkids and the kids enjoyed it. Yeah.